Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add any folder to your GitHub repository. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So what you have to do is simply go to your profile by clicking on the top right section and then go to your profile right here. Now from there you can probably find all the repositories that you might want, and so you're going to customize whatever you have pinned. And then once you choose whichever one, so for example for me I'm going to select C calculator, or you can simply select one by clicking on the top right and then from here go to your repositories. Now from here, once you collect your victim, you're going to add a file. You can do that by clicking on add file, and then you can either create a brand new one, which is going to be probably either a file for code or a text file that you will add for everyone else to read, or you can simply click on upload file, and then from here you can choose for your files from your local computer. And so from here, if I'm going to select this one, then I'm going to simply add it, and this is an SQL file. You can add any commit changes or any comments, and then mainly you can either commit directly to the main branch, which means that if you are sharing this project with anyone else, they will also get this file added to them, or you can create a new branch and then start a pull request, which means that it is there as a function, and then once everyone agrees on it, then they can all approve it and it becomes in the main branch. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.